Thank you, mama. Matay na dali. Thank you.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Millionaire World channel. And for today's vlog guys ay ito, sama-sama kaming mag-lunch ng aming mga friends at syempre ang aking sister kasi nga birthday niya sa January 15. But celebrate namin ito ng linggo, January 12 kasi nga ano lang, pang lunch lang naman guys, hindi naman talaga party. Kaya nagluto lang ako ng kanin at saka ulam at may nagdala ng cake. So ayan.
Okay, smile. Say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, sister.
Oh, ayan.
Thank you guys.
So, ayan guys, ang aming simple celebration guys dito sa pwesto namin.
Kayo na mag-pray para makain tayo.
Ay, sorry ka. Oh, sige na. Ayan, nagagawa na.
Gutom na guys.
Ayan. Gutom. Ayan. Ayan, oh, ayan. Ayan, mga gutom na.
Yung maliit lang siya.
Happy 53th birthday my sister Early. God bless and I love you always.